Okay, I decided to make a shorter, more concise video of the problem I'm having. This is an 03 Wrangler Sport with a 4.0. Last month I was having a problem with my coolant in the overflow bottle gurgling and boiling after I shut the Jeep off hot. So I went through and instead of picking little pieces here and there, I just went through and replaced everything. I did my cap, I did my water pump, I did my thermostat housing, my thermostat, I did all the hoses, I did the coolant temperature sensor, or replaced the belt, I did both the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley, cleaned everything out. And I took it for a test ride last night, ran perfect. Temperature was nice and steady, everything's good. So this morning I went to drive it, and it's kind of hot outside, so I put the AC on, and I noticed that my AC is not blowing cold now. You can hear the compressor kicking on, and if you look close, you can see down here, you can see it come on for a second and then stop. See that? And now this line here, this line here that runs along the passenger side, that gets cold, but the tank down here, the tank doesn't get cold. Neither does this return line. These lines are all hot. So I'm not sure where to go from here. I don't know if I need a compressor. Like I said, all the other stuff is brand new now, and the AC worked fine. It was ice cold before I replaced all those parts. So I'm not sure exactly where to go from here. But I got a camping trip in 7 days that's about 4 hours from here, and it's anywhere from 90 to 93 degrees out on the daily here. So I need to get this straightened out before I leave. If anybody has any tips, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.